this mistake. Before you solve another BODMAS problem, let me show you the error that sneaks in and will do your answer. 12 divided by 3 will give you what? 4. Plus 4 times 2 will give you what? 8. Minus 5. 8 minus 5 will give you 3. Plus 4. 4 plus 3 will give you 7. But some learners mistakenly add first before they multiply, which ruins your answer. Yes, if you mistakenly add first before you multiply, you will fail it. Watch closely. 3 plus 15 will give you what? 18. Divide by 5 minus 3. 18 divided by 5 will give you what? 3.6 minus 3. 3.6 minus 3 will give you what? 0.6. Right? But you are wrong. This particular problem looks very simple, very easy, but still, most students fail it because they don't follow the BODMAS rule. You have to follow the BODMAS rule. This is simple mistakes you can make in BODMAS. So, following your BODMAS rule, 3 plus 15 divided by 5 minus 3. You have to first of all do the division. Once you do the division, addition and subtraction has equal priority. Okay? Addition and subtraction has equal priority. But first of all, you have to first do the division. If you do the division first, if you decide to do the addition before the subtraction or the subtraction before the addition, you will still get the same answer. But you have to follow the BODMAS rule by working from left to right. So, 15 divided by 5 will give you 3. Plus 5 minus 3. 5 plus 3 will give you what? Sorry, 3. 3 plus 3 will give you what? 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 will give you what? 3. So the correct answer is 3 and not 0.6. All these are BODMAS mistakes. This is BODMAS mistakes, episode 4. Follow for episode 5 so that you won't miss our next class.